Hello guys, this is Subir Ranjan. Welcome to my channel. MIUI, one of the most popular operating system in the world, is the favorite of Xiaomi. While the MIUI 13 news has been out recently, MIUI 12 hasn't been forgotten. According to the statement made today, Xiaomi is developing MIUI 12.5. Yes, you heard the right thing, MIUI 12.5 is being announced. This update includes major innovations and optimizations and prepares Xiaomi devices for MIUI 13. According to the statement made by Xiaomi today, tests for MIUI 12.5 started from today onwards. In order for engineers to better focus on this project, the closed beta version will be suspended for a period from 12.40. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And what are the other new features that you are going to see in 12.5? Let's check it out. The latest app style that changed with MIUI 12 is now customizable with MIUI 12.5. With the new update, you can revert to MIUI 9 style. With this feature, the foundation of a structure that allows you to fully interfere with the MIUI was laid. With MIUI 12.5, you can use recent apps horizontally. Is the camera application with new features added every day getting complicated? With MIUI 12.5, this complexity has been replaced with a plain interface. So guys, this was all about the new features of MIUI 12.5. Guys, if you like this video, please give your likes, comments and shares. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon such that whatever the latest leaked information I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.